All right, so y'all, this is number 13 out of 6.1, and it says determine the minimum sample size required when you want to be 90% confident that the sample mean is within 1 unit of the population mean and sigma is 19.2. It says assume the population mean is normally distributed. Okay, so the first thing I did here, y'all, is, let me come this way, is I just copied this directly from the notes from 6.1. And this is the formula that's going to give me my minimum sample size, n, okay? So look, I'm just going to write that down on the previous page. So we have n equals our z-score for the confidence interval times sigma divided by the error, everything being squared. Okay, so the first thing we know is we know that our confidence interval is going to be 90% because it's telling us that right here. So we need to find the z-score at 90%. So again, just to kind of show you what this means that if I drew my normal curve, we're going to have two marks here, right? One of them is going to be a negative value, one's going to be a positive value. And we're doing this so that the area in here is 90%. So the area here in this middle part is 90%. That means we have 10% left to be divided amongst these pieces here. So we divide that by 2, that's going to be 5%. So as a decimal, that's 0.05, and that's 0.05. So we want to find those z-scores, right? Remember, on our calculator, y'all, we can go inverse norm, and we know that the area, say, to the left over here is 0.05. So let me grab my calculator. Let me clear this out. I'm going to go second and vars. I'm going to go to inverse norm, and I'm going to type in 0.05. And I'm coming up with negative 1.64. Okay, so this value is a negative 1.64, but because the graph is symmetric, then this value is going to be a positive 1.64. So we know that our z at 90 is 1.64. Okay, so look, we're going to start figuring this thing out. We found this value already. We know it's 1.64. Our sigma was given to us right here at 19.2. So times 19.2, oops. And then divided by the error. So the error is going to be 1 unit away. That's going to be 1. All of this now is going to be squared. So I'm going to enter this part here in my calculator, y'all, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So let me get my calculator again. I'm going to go 1.64 times 19.2 divided by 1, all of that being squared, and I'm coming up with 991.49. So I'm going to grab my pen. 900, oops, already forgot it. 991, okay. So 991.49. Now look what it says. It says round up. So no matter what kind of decimal I get, y'all, I'm going to round it up to the next whole number. So instead of 991, I'm going to say my answer is going to be 992 because it's telling me to round up, okay? So look, I'm going to come back to my problem. Where is it? Right here. And I'm going to enter in 992. And we're going to go check, and we got it, okay?